Okay, so welcome back and let's talk about auto layout. Okay, now auto layout in Figma is a feature that enables designs to dynamically adjust and reflow as their content changes, right? Making them responsive and adaptable. Note that two word responsive and adaptable. Okay, it allows you to create layouts that automatically resize and rearrange elements based on predefined rules like spacing, padding, and alignment, which can significantly speed up the design process and improve design consistency. Okay, so other layouts, let me use the same stuff I did here. First, going to my frame and I draw a frame. Okay, let's use a let's use a square this time. Shift to get a perfect square. Okay, this is a normal square. Let me put a color again. And to put it at auto layout, you can either right click and you see add to auto layout, or you just um there's to be one here. This is the new UI, so I'll just use the right click method, or you just click shift A, right? See the shortcut. Yeah. So other layouts, yeah, see the symbol in the layouts panel. This is the symbol for auto layouts, right? Okay, and it has let's say it also has the alignment left, right, top, center. It has the horizontal padding. It has the vertical padding as well, and spacing between objects. Okay, let's say we have two objects. Oh, let me duplicate them. I wanted them to be in the same frame, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's just drag them differently. Okay, and let's put both of them and auto layout back. Yeah. So if we can see the spacing between them, it's 48. We can make changes to the spacing. Let's say 32. Okay, and if we draw this again, let me see. We duplicate this. Okay, we can delete one of this frame now. We have how many frames do we have here? Okay, we have this. Let's say we duplicate again. Yeah, you see how they automatically space out, right? Yeah, we have a auto layout frame with 3 inside. Let's make it 32. Yeah. So auto layouts, you can easily um, set your objects to go vertically, or you can set them to go horizontally, right? Um, I know you guys might not understand this thing now because it's just plain squares and frames, right? But no worry, when we get, I think I'll do something about it here, and also in the text it should be more explainable. Okay, and also what else is in auto layout? The paddings, let's say the horizontal padding, we can make it 34. You see the changes that's going on, and the vertical you can make it 24. Okay, you can see what's going on with them, and you can center align. Yeah, and also I've showed this before. Also, if you hide one, it automatically resize, right? Just say you're building a product and your client say, hide please, we've not gotten a product for this. Just hide it for now. You can hide it. Yeah, so that's basically auto layouts. Yeah, so in the next video we'll start with this text and introduce text, then we'll try and complete this navigation section. Thank you.